What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you haven't noticed by now, this video is going to be on a full wash day routine and a style. So, what I'm going to be using today, this is featuring Donna's recipe, her sweet potato pie line, using the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, hair cream, and the hair and scalp oil. I picked up these products at my local Ulta. I got it buy one get one half off. I don't know if that sale still going on, but I think Target has a sale for buy one get one 25% off, which is still a great deal. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going in to use the shampoo. Just kind of wet my hair and make sure that was all wet and saturated to go in with the shampoo. The shampoo I really did enjoy. I mean, one of the things I will say about all of these products is that they smell so good. I mean, they smell like Thanksgiving. Like at my grandma's house, eating sweet potato pie, candy yams. It just smelled like the holidays, and I really enjoyed that. Um, One of the things about that though, it kind of turned me off a little bit because I know a lot of times with fragrance products, especially things like for your skin, for your hair, it turns me off because when I think of like a fragrance, you know, a kind of fragrancy or perfumey type product, I think, oh shoot, it's gonna dry my skin or my hair out. But I didn't experience that at all. Not with the shampoo. It didn't, a lot of times with some shampoos, you can kind of feel things kind of stripping because it's like a dryness, but I didn't experience that at all, and it was very enjoyable. I will say I'm super late in the game getting these products. Y'all were buying these products out, man. Like when they hit Ulta, they hit hard and they didn't stay on them shelves long. But lo and behold, I made it. And she expanded. So I'm happy about that. That makes it easier. So now I'm just going into the conditioner. I'm just making sure I got all of that saturated. Um, I really enjoyed that. Listen, I think I did that 30 times in this video. Like, it smells so good. I just, yeah, the smell was amazing, and just the feel of the product was so immaculate. This leave-in conditioner was awesome. It felt really good. Not a whole lot of slip in my opinion, but maybe it's because I don't think I used a lot of products, but still it didn't disappoint. I ended up putting my hair in a plastic cap and I let it sit for about 10 minutes. And y'all, I'm doing a concert. I'm listening to music. I think it was Summer Rain by Carl Thomas. I love him. All right, so now I'm back. I'm just going ahead to rinse it out. Um, my overall review of this particular product. Like I said, I don't think the conditioner for me had a whole lot of slip, but then again, it could have been maybe I didn't use enough. But I will say this, it still kept my hair, it still left my hair very moisturized. Like I felt the nourishment, like no lie. So um, I give this product a good 8 out of 10. I mean, for me, I don't think it was something I could use to like detangle or anything. Now the leave-in conditioner, look at me making a whole mess. I'm going in with that next, the leave-in, which I thought was great. And of course, it definitely had the slip, for kind of detangling, blow drying, or just kind of typical styling. Now, what I also did here is something that I've been doing for about 2 years is I either put my leave-in in the shower, or I use the plastic cap. I feel like that helps with the whole styling process, the detangling. So that is what I did here, and we're just gonna go into my room to get started. So let go. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm blow drying. If you didn't see that, I used the Rusk silk serum, and I also used Donna's recipes um, hair hair and scalp oil. I used those together. They were definitely a powerhouse. The silk definitely helped with kind of smoothing my hair out. But the hair and scalp oil kept it feeling moisturized, and you could definitely feel the products there even after, like as I go into the next day. Um, it was late in this video, so It's the next day. I got my hair in a little bun that I kind of slept in, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and style. So the style I'm going to be doing today is a braid out. I don't think I've ever done a braid out before. If I have, I ain't never done a braid out on camera. Um, yeah. Sometimes I know I've been natural for a long time, but sometimes for me, I'm checking the gray, y'all. My bad. I love my grays. Like I'm obsessed with them. And I found two in this video. So I was like, heck yeah, I love gray. I want to embrace that when it happens. Anyway, so yeah. Um, natural hair, doing my natural hair sometimes can feel intimidating. And I'll just keep it real. Who else has had that feeling? So yeah. But okay. So I just showed you that I went in with the hair cream, and I'm going to be using some rollers on the ends to kind of make my hair have like a little spiral. So it's going to be like a braid out, and then the ends will be spirally. But yeah, how many of you guys have ever felt kind of intimidating doing your natural hair? Like, especially on camera, I think sometimes for me it's a little intimidating. And not only that, I think when it comes to my natural hair, like I want it to be perfect. And like if it ain't looking hot, I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm probably gonna delete this. Delete all of this. So yeah. But I decided to give it a chance today, and we're gonna see what it do. Um the hair cream. I super enjoy the hair cream. The hair cream again smelled amazing. I enjoyed the feel of it, the slip. I enjoyed again just how all of these products kind of work together to give you not just the look that you were looking for, but the continued moisture or just the continued feel of this product is in my hair and it's working. Like, how many of you guys out there have used like an entire line and you may not get that effect a few days after? Like, yeah, sure, your hair might be bouncy and it might have the look for that day, but the next day, then your hair is just kind of feeling dried out and stuck and you don't know what to do. Like, I wore this style for almost a week. Um, I really enjoyed just what these products did for me. I often find myself, especially back in the day when natural hair products, kind of became a thing. um, I found myself using different products from different lines, like using certain things that, um, this conditioner over here works for me better than this conditioner and this brand, or their shampoo works better over here than this one over here. So I just kind of pick and choose the things that work best for my hair. But the one thing I noticed about all of these products that I'm reviewing today is that they are definitely a powerhouse together. Um, and they really, no lie, do the damn thing. Like, my hair was gorgeous, bouncy, and the only thing I had to do was, of course, maintenance, like making sure my edges were straight. If I want to do, some little baby hair, some little swoops on the side, or but other than that, making sure I, kind of tied it down how I wanted to, keep the style for however long I want. But even then, like when taking it down, all I had to do was kind of fluff in the right places, use a little gel, a little edge gel here and there, and I was good to go. It was like the style was brand new all over again. And then the one thing I missed, I think with doing my natural hair, because I haven't really done my natural hair in a while, but what I do miss is that I love how as the days progress, like if it's a really good style, as the days progress, I love the look and how, it kind of gets, I'm not going to say grungy, but I don't know. I feel like my hair just gets more aggressive, but in a good way, like a good aggressive way. Like if I wear a twist out and the twist out might be twisting, it might be cute that first day, but as the day go on, your hair get bigger and fuller. And then it's like, hell yeah, like I feel like a lion. So yeah, so right now, like I said, what I'm doing, I'm just going in with the hair cream, and just making sure I get that saturated. And I'm starting out with the braids. But yeah, how many of y'all out there, like when y'all do a natural hairstyle and you just kind of feel invincible, like you feel like you that chick, and especially when the days go on and people are like, "Oh my God, your hair is even better than yesterday," or like, how do you keep it up, or how do you, how do you manage your hair? Like, I love it. It's something about my natural hair. Like when it's a good style, it's a good style. And for me, you'll know it's a good style when I done kept it up for, at least 10 business days. Maybe not that long, but still, if I didn't keep it up for more than 3 days, it was a good damn style. It was a great style. So, yeah. But anyway, yes, these products were definitely a powerhouse together. And I'm so excited for you guys to see the rest of this video and just how hype I was getting all this together. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing though. Like I'm just doing a couple of braid parts here and there just to kind of show you the just to kind of show you, the pattern, which again, nothing crazy. I'm not, it's not stupid uniform in my opinion. Of course, I'm going like row by row, but the sections are big, and obviously I made it that way because my hair is blow dried. If my hair was in its natural state, then I think I would have used smaller sections, but I didn't for the sake of the video, for the sake of, the state my hair is in. So I'm all done. I let this sit for about a day. I'll be honest, I didn't blow dry. Like I let it sit. And here I am, going ahead and taking the rollers out, which I'm just going to speed up here. We're not going to get into all that. Oh, also, while this is happening, one of the things that I noticed, after my hair dried, I noticed once I was taking it down, there was some residue from the hair and scalp oil. I think that is because with the hair and scalp oil, you definitely have to be careful when applying that product. Like as you can see here, there were some little, some little oily balls, but I think you just have to be careful in making sure that you smooth the product out in your hands because it's not an oil. And I think I'll do a separate video just to show you guys what it looks like. It's not an oil. It does, once you kind of smooth it in between your hands, it does turn into an oil, but that definitely takes like work and heat. I also think that if I would have used a dryer, I think that would have helped as well because it would help to kind of melt the oil down. But nonetheless, once I took the rollers out and I kind of got those little balls out of the way, I'm impressed, y'all. Look at my hair. Once I got that out of the way, like it was good to go. Like, it was a wrap. I'm impressed, y'all, with how this braid out is looking. Like, and I ain't even fluffed it out or nothing like that, just to kind of see what it looks like. Like, heck yeah, I could do this more often. Especially with the rollers on the end. I often find sometimes that me not using a roller on the ends when I do a twist out or, even just looking at this braid out, something about my ends, they just kind of look weird. Or, I don't know, they just don't give what I think it should be giving. But the small rollers on the end are a nice touch. And of course, I'll link all these in the description box if you want to check it out. And of course, these rollers as well. And of course, I got them all unbraided. So now what I'm doing is just kind of separating where they separate, kind of where they naturally separate. I'm not trying to, find pieces that won't separate. And just, of course, making sure I get the ends. Like, look at the ends on that, man. Just freaking gorgeous. I'm in love. So, yeah, like, I'm all done. This is my last few little pieces. And y'all, just look at these damn pearls. Like, they were so pretty. I had to go get dressed. So here I am, y'all. I'm just using my little pick in a few places. I picked it out off camera earlier, but and that's it. I just used some edge gel, used a couple bobby pins on the side, but man, this was so cute. I had to go put some clothes on. Like, I got this cute little outfit I got from Walmart offline. So gorgeous. What I would rate the full line of the products, I give it a 9 out of 10. Like I said, there were some things that, like the conditioner, but again, I think that was just because I didn't use enough. And the hair and scalp oil, again, I don't really rate that a low product because I think I could have done more. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Until then, deuce.